you know the average American spends 104 hours per year on laundry? Don't get stuck stranded in the laundry room when you can be spending quality time with your friends or family. Two Wake Forest entrepreneurs set out to solve this problem. Magic Bag takes the pain out of laundry and gives you your weekend back.
Hello, Wake Forest Demo Day. Thank you all for coming out. We're super excited to be here to share our brand new service, freshly launched and open for business. We are Magic Bag Laundry. The team consists of myself, Sam Chasen, and my co-founder, Matt Gromberg. You may recognize me from last year. I was here with Storage Scholars, and since then, we've scaled that business to over $1 million valuation. Matt has played an integral part in that journey. We're taking our service business experience into the laundry industry. As storage is seasonal, we were kind of getting bored 11 months of the year, as if being full-time college students was not enough.
So, hey everybody, can I get a quick show of hands? Who here in the audience is super excited to go home this weekend and do their laundry? Raise them high. Ooh. Who gets really psyched up when they want to go to the dry cleaners after work? Not too many. Well, time is something that every successful person wants more of. And whether your to-do list is growing, the last thing we need to be doing is chores. And when we lose time, we lose energy. Laundry was voted the #1 most hated chore in the country by the Wall Street Journal. And I know that there's some people in the crowd who wait so long to do it that their hamper's overflowing and they keep checking that drawer until they're down to one clean pair of underwear. And when you're losing your time and your energy, you're getting frustrated when you're doing your chores. So we know how to cook, but we enjoy when we go out to a restaurant and are treated. We know how to wash our car, but we save a lot of time driving through that automatic car wash. We know how to do laundry. Well, now there's someone who can take that load off your shoulders and do it for you. So what is the cost? To do it yourself, between detergent, softener, dryer sheets, water bills, electricity costs, and the depreciation of your washer and dryer, your average family spends $90 a month and 36 hours of their time doing their own laundry. For $30 more, you can have it done for you with your preferences, with one-day turnaround, and you didn't lose a minute of your time. So this begs the question, do you value your time at more than 83 cents an hour?
What if I told you there was a way to save time by eliminating your chores? That's where we come in. Magic Bag is a premium valet service that brings laundry and dry cleaning right to your door. Customers sign up online and receive complimentary bags prior to their first pickup. Simply leave that bag outside your door, fill it with your dirty laundry, and watch as it returns magically, washed, dried, and folded to perfection the very next day.
Who uses Magic Bag Laundry? Our laundry is targeted at a dual-working household with children or pets that live in a safe and trusted community. The dry cleaning service aims to get young professionals who are busy in their lifestyles, as well as commercial businesses who want to offer this as an amenity. Finally, our sheets and towels cleaning service is aimed at college students, because I know a few too many people who haven't changed them this semester, and that's disgusting. Currently, Americans are spending $199 billion a year doing their own laundry. Existing players like 2U, Cleanly, Rinse, and Washio have already raised millions of capital, and they're growing exponentially year over year. It's a proven market in cities like New York and LA, as well as growing cities like Atlanta and Charlotte. None of them, however, are targeting the smaller markets. In the Piedmont Triad, it's a completely untapped market of 1.6 million people spending $171 million a year on their own laundry. We plan to capture 10% of that, which is a $17 million annual revenue market.
Since our launch just 4 short months ago, we've established promising relationships with 30 luxury apartment complexes in Greensboro. Each location has agreed to post on their social media and share our welcome brochure in their 300 resident turnover in August. We're also in talks with Wells Fargo's training hub with the Central Piedmont Triad about rolling out our dry cleaning service to all their employees as an employee benefit. So the first 2 years will be all about creating brand awareness and educating our market on a valet laundry service. We expect to see major growth in the month of August when students and families alike sign new leases and are offered valet laundry at our partnering complexes. By 2022, after scaling this business full-time after college, we expect to have acquired 1,000 customers yielding $1.6 million in yearly revenue. At this point, we will be approached with 2 options. The first would be to open our own Magic Bag laundromat, while the second would be to exit to one of the existing players not currently operating in the Piedmont Triad. So we stand here today knowing that there's a fairly high customer acquisition cost of $44 in this space. Therefore, we're raising $150,000, and we'll be contributing $30,000 of our own funds to scale this business. We will use the money for targeted marketing, SEO, commercial laundry equipment, and fleet vehicles. We'd also love to talk to anybody in the laundry and dry cleaning industry, as well as commercial entities looking to offer our service as an employee benefit. We encourage you all, go out, try Magic Bag, post about it in your weekly newsletter, Facebook, and neighborhood next door groups.
So thank you everybody for coming out tonight, and I want to leave you with one final thought. Can you just take a moment, look down, close your eyes for a moment? Picture your laundry room. Picture your laundry day. If any of you guys are smiling or excited for some reason, call your doctor. I'm worried about you. If you're like the rest of us and you dread doing laundry, head to magicbaglaundry.com and use our promo code WFUDemoDay. Get your first week absolutely free, no strings attached. Look forward to chatting with you all in the back, and thank you so much.